If you lose your medical malpractice case at trial, does your lawyer still earn a fee? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and the answer is no, he does not earn a fee. You see, these medical malpractice cases, the attorneys take them on the basis of what we call contingency, which means their fee is contingent upon you being successful. Now, what does that mean? It means that the only time an attorney will actually get a fee is if he's successful in getting you a result. Now, what does that mean? Getting you a result means that you obtain money as a form of compensation, either by settling your case at some point before or during trial, or by a jury verdict, and now after appeals, now you're able to get money from the defense, and then the attorney will receive a fee. There's some people who think, oh my God, if we lose the case, I'm gonna have to owe the attorney so much money. No, it doesn't work that way. The reality is that the attorney takes on all the risk. He knows that the only way he can take on a case is if he's got confirmation by a medical expert that, number one, there was carelessness by your doctor. Number two, that carelessness was a cause of your injury. And number three, that your injuries are significant and or permanent. And all those three things have to be confirmed by a medical expert in order for the attorney to go ahead and move forward with your case. Now, an attorney is only going to take on a case assuming he's got medical confirmation that all three of those things are present, and now he's got confirmation that your injuries are significant and permanent. That's the only way an attorney will go forward, because he's laying out all of his time, he's laying out all of his money to prosecute your particular case. And why would any attorney do that if there's no possibility that you're going to win at the end of the case? Why would your attorney do that if there's no possibility of you ever settling your case and getting substantial compensation for all of the harms and losses and damages that you incurred? The only time a really good attorney is going to take on a case is if he reasonably knows or believes that there's a good likelihood of success in your particular case. Now, having said that, you also need to know that no attorney can ever guarantee you a result. Nobody. I don't care whether they're the best lawyer in New York, the best lawyer in the country. No lawyer can ever guarantee you a particular result. But instead, they can make other guarantees. They can guarantee how you're going to feel during the litigation process. They can guarantee how you are going to feel when you call their office. They can guarantee how you are going to feel when you come into the office. So there are a lot of things an attorney can actually guarantee, and it has to do with your experience. Your experience from when you first encounter the attorney. Your experience from how you are treated every step of the way. Your experience in what communication the attorney gives you every step of the way throughout your lawsuit process. Those are the types of guarantees an attorney can give you. But nobody can give you a guarantee about the outcome, the success of your particular case. So let's go back to the original question I asked in the headline of this video. If, by some chance, you lose your case, does your attorney still receive a fee? The answer, as I mentioned at the beginning, is no, he doesn't. You know, years ago, long time ago, 50 years ago or more, the only way you could hire an attorney to go ahead and prosecute a case like this was if you pay the attorney an hourly fee. So you're laying out money each and every hour for every hour the attorney works on your case. But that doesn't happen anymore. A lot of people didn't have the cash to go ahead and pay an attorney an hourly fee. Oh, they charge a few $100s, now they charge $500, now they charge $1,000 an hour. Most people don't have that kind of money. So instead, attorneys turned around, at least in New York, and they said, you know what? You don't have to pay us an hourly fee. I understand you don't have the money to do that. Instead, what we'll do is we will go ahead and prosecute the case for you. You don't have to pay anything up front. You don't have to lay out any of the expenses. We will take on the risk entirely ourselves. And now, if we are successful at the very end of your case, now we will receive a percentage of whatever money we're able to recover for you. That's known as a contingency fee. So the only time an attorney is going to get paid is when you are successful in your particular case. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to go ahead and give you an overview, an insight into what goes on in these specific cases here in New York. You know, it's just starting to drizzle here and I'm going to get back inside. But as always, if you have questions about your matter that happened here in New York and you have not yet started a lawsuit, then what I invite you to do is to pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. Well, that's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.